Okay, let me show you the shed that I have right now. That's my shed in the background there. So this shed was here when I bought the house. And we're gonna see just how big it is. So this is a little over 9.5 feet wide. 9'7.5". The length of it, 13'3". So, a hole where the metal has just rotted away. Unless the mice chewed it out, I don't know. But inside, you can see that it is absolutely packed full because I have a lot of stuff that I save. And I'm not going to say I'm a hoarder, but I've already cleaned this out once. Okay, I'm going to show you a very, very basic instruction that will save you hours and hours of frustration. First of all, try to learn the keyboard shortcuts. It will save you hours of time. So press R on your keyboard and click in the corner and drag it out in the direction you want it to go. But before you click the ending point, type 3.5, comma 3.5 on your keyboard, then press Enter. Press the space bar to get back to the arrow. Double click on the square you just made to select the sides and the middle. Right click and select Make a Group. Double click to open the group. Press P on your keyboard, click the top of the square and pull up or move your cursor towards the top of the screen, but don't click again. Type 8 and a parenthesis and then Enter. Click the space bar to get back to the arrow. Click outside the object. Now you can move that object as a group. Click the O key so you can orbit and look at your handiwork. I'm going to start with the floor framing first, then I can figure out where the beams go underneath it later. The first thing I'm going to do is make some 2x6s. So start with the rectangle, type 1.5 by 5.5, press Enter, and then make that a group. Double click to open the group, and then pull that out to 15 feet 9 inches. Click M for the Move tool, grab the bottom right corner, drag along the green axis. Do not click again, but type 12 feet and press Enter. Then immediately click the Divide key or the slash key and type 3 and press Enter. This will place copies of the object at evenly spaced intervals along the path. Click Q for the Rotate tool. Click the top left corner of the first 2x6. Click somewhere along the same edge. Pull the cursor down to rotate the board. You can click or type 90 and Enter. Double-click the new board. Select the Push-Pull tool. Push the end of the board back to line up with the last board. Now just copy that board to the other end by clicking on the top left corner and holding the Control key and dragging down to the right side of the framing. It will snap in place.